Let's take a closer look at 6 tiny Don Gardner home plans. The first is the Montana, Plan 1560. Simple white siding complements a gable roof. Metal accents and wooden columns highlight the front porch while a deck wraps around the side of the home. A built-in bench lines the perimeter of the deck, providing seating space for outdoor dining and entertaining. Inside, find a cathedral ceiling with skylights above the great room and master bedroom. A 3-sided fireplace warms the entire floor plan. The master bedroom enjoys a closet and windows showcase the view. The kitchen features an island with space for bar seating and a pantry is nearby. The Montana is 603 square feet, has 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. Next is the Daisy, Plan 1640. This tiny cabin house plan features a cedar shake facade and a metal roof. The prominent stone fireplace is double-sided, providing warmth to the front porch and main living area. Inside, a vaulted ceiling and an array of skylights enhance the great room. The kitchen centers around an island with a sun tunnel overhead. A window above the sink brings in additional light and views. At the rear of the home, find a full bathroom with a walk-in shower, utility room with laundry sink, pantry, and linen closet. The bedroom is spacious and enjoys a trio of skylights and a walk-in closet. Extend living outdoors with a front porch, large screen porch, and expansive patio. The Daisy is 869 square feet, has 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. The Billy, Plan 1641, is a tiny design with a modern facade and open floor plan. With a sloping modern roofline and stone fireplace, this tiny house plan is sure to impress. The simple siding exterior is complemented by a metal roof. Walls of windows surround the main living area, bringing in daylight and all-around views. The great room features a vaulted ceiling and skylights. A vaulted ceiling and skylights also top the screen porch, and living is further extended outdoors with a deck and patio. Fully equipped, the kitchen features ample counter space and cabinets, a window above the sink, an island, and a nearby pantry. Sliding doors open to the bedroom with skylights and a walk-in closet. A full bathroom, utility room, and linen closet complete this efficient floor plan. The Billy is 872 square feet, has 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. The MARCEL 1802 is a tiny design with an adorable cottage facade and 2 bedrooms. Overflowing with charm, this tiny cottage features ornate brackets, decorative gable trim, a metal accent roof, and lattice around the spacious front porch. A stone fireplace with decorative chimney cap further enhances the simple siding facade. Inside, the great room is cozy with a coffered ceiling and a fireplace. The kitchen enjoys an island and an attached dining room, while the rear porch with skylights extends living outdoors. A patio offers additional outdoor living space. Sliding doors open to a flexible office/bedroom with closet. The primary bedroom enjoys a walk-in closet with a sun tunnel and direct access to the full bathroom. Just steps away, the utility room is conveniently located and makes efficient use of space. The MARCEL is 991 square feet, has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. The Timothy, Houseplant 1803, is a modern farmhouse design with a tiny layout and outdoor living. With the modern farmhouse flair, this tiny houseplant features a board and batten facade and decorative gable trusses. The front porch leads to an open floor plan with a cathedral ceiling extending from the great room to the dining space and island kitchen. The great room offers a fireplace and coat closet, while a window above the kitchen sink brings in rear views. Living continues outdoors with a screen porch and patio. The master suite enjoys a vaulted ceiling, walk-in closet, and an efficient private bathroom with a walk-in shower. A secondary bedroom and bathroom are joined by a utility space with linen storage. Skylights bring natural light into the main living space, while sun tunnels brighten the master bathroom and utility room. The Timothy is 984 square feet, has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Last but not least is the Blaise, Plan 1804. The Blaise is a tiny cottage home with a 2-story floor plan. The facade draws attention with cedar shake accents, a dramatic center cupola, and arched gable trim. Inside, the great room features a fireplace and a convenient powder room. A kitchen peninsula offers bar seating and overlooks the dining room with a pantry nearby. The utility room is to the rear of the home and exits to a porch, patio, and outdoor storage space. The master suite is upstairs with a vaulted ceiling, walk-in closet, linen storage, and a full bathroom with walk-in shower. The Blaise is 984 square feet, has 1 bedroom and 1.5 bathrooms. After seeing all 6 plans, which design is your favorite? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more home plan videos.